Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.